ache men's gold customers bia na de wo mo pese wo mo ye and say wo mo eco Jubilee House and na de your friend the Flagstaff House and the petition ekoma the president no me gidi say wutine ti a wo beka say na what the petition ekoma president say men's gold asem no won brem no beji ne sika emma na aden na was a police for a chiomo. Now if you are new here, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Wo yende sa latest news be about one sa ebeka. Yan konsem no mo, this is Mecca said the second time a police actually aggrieved men's gold customers just within the space of 2 or 1 month. Now the first time a police for arrest men's gold customers no arrest omo e wona na apia men's afie womo call by force say womo ekoye demonstration emu insensem e by and am ne wo ka say some of the aggrieved men's gold customers can ye omo akwa court for unlawful entry and trespassing. Now this is the second time I yasan so achi omo biomenti no omo asem no aye double. Men's gold aggrieved men's gold customers no ka say the police for ne ye no enye as a police for no intimidate you omo too much. Womo sorry say womo ye bibie tia na apia mensa na police for abem say hey yeah mama kwan. Womo sorry say womo ye we na police for abem say hey yeah mama kwan. So for them they want to believe say no, it's like na apia mensa is in bed with the government and the police. In Tiana womo customers no sorry say womo demand womo sika ehwa say police for ababonten edensem ababetuja. It's a spokesperson for the aggrieved men's gold customers. Nidin at the Felix Forsen. Now, some of what kind was say it is serious because when you do that, you are putting fear into the people. And I'm not sure the police want to present themselves to men's gold customers as objects of fear and intimidation. They are just intimidating us, and it is very bad. These are already aggrieved customers. What do they want us to do? They are standing upon our rights and freedom. It's men's gold for there. From their point of view, once they assemble, will be on the point of view. From men's gold for point of view, no one see police for na womo eniji so dodo. Na den bonebe no mo aye. Say womo demand for musika na police for mo aba. Say hey yam pene police for mo aba. Say hey yam pene mo aba. Say hey den bonebe ne yaye mo. Intina I was say yetie police for no side of the story. Now police for Eden Sembi etuja na the reason na omode tu no ebi very funny ebi so obehune said the police actually has a point there. It's no reason yabe kokoko so inti once Ghana has said there will be our person work demonstration bia no emra etre say e was say bo tro enkrata ekoma police for na police for tenase hune say okay demonstration na mo pese mo ye no yabe ma mo kwan ye ma mo kwan. Yes, men's gold customers now Etro and Krata command the Accra Regional Police Command. Now Etro and Krata no komo police for a responde a men's gold and aggrieved men's gold customers no say demonstration na mo person moko and a petition na mo person mo de ekoma president e Flagstaff House no ye ma mo kwan munti asem ni yi police for ne ka say wo mo kwan because one wo mo police for no Busha Ghana Sisia Accra to be specific. Armed robbery cases are dozen. Into a police for Womunya time and men's gold for no. They are thinking about the robbery and violent crimes are air cost for Ghana Sisia in Intino. For a period of time Sisiano will be a person walk on demonstration beyond police for M Penny and only in semi police for Edituja at men's gold customers no. That's the first reason a police for MI. Now let's tackle this first reason and then we'll move on to the other reasons in so police for MI. Clearly, first reason a police for Edema no, say no. A technicalities a police for M person for mobile penny ama a men's good customers no. I could present the petition to the president because what to me trying to say because you are fighting a violence and robbery, you know. Want to me enko Gadi will be said one go present petition because you say demonstration no you don't do it for the whole day, it's just for some hours at most. Demonstration be a cost of Ghana be at most 3-4 hours na you 2% police 4% say 3-4 hours no police for a one crime near and all the back for Gadi some men's gold customers get to away. I will go Flagstaff House into no person say robbery cases air cost of Accra into Wunya police for a moment. Inti the first reason a police for them and what me say no technicality a police for nankasa ma mo be say wo mo tre men's good customers for ne say yem pene e ma mo demonstration no but wo mo ahye that they afa sansensem ni mu. Now the second reason and the second attack to the first reason a police for amanini yawo krom has say last week was a day and you say NDC for echo demonstration. So what is the police talking about? The robbery cases now just said this week and you. And yet this week, last 2 weeks was a day NDC for echo demonstration in this week now, robbery cases not a what I say, oh robbery cases is shas into to me emba. NDC for one more crowd, one more doors no. One more demonstration, and my police for more penny. It's clearly so reason where police for Emma and to now let's go to the second reason a police for Emma. And for me, I believe that the second reason the police are actually giving it actually makes sense. The police for them can say moments go for Ankasa. Montreal and Krata are brain say more percent more demonstration. Just within 6 months. Ama yamamo kwan ama mo akwa yes our demonstration no. It is 6 months here na mo year demonstration on that same matter. Yes remo yen to me emma mo kwan biom. Mo ma embre kakra empa ho. Because within 6 months na December ko wo se wo year demonstration dey bia ene sa na ye no. Ati ase in just a matter of 6 months the same subject matter mo ye ho demonstration. Wo san so pese ye ma mo nkrata emma mo san so ye demonstration dey ye ma mo Enkrata na to me enkrata mamonko yes our demonstration no. For me, I think this reason the police are giving unlike the first reason this reason actually makes some sense. Now day in a men's good for no yakochi omo na police for ekochi men's good for no do the police actually have a right or are the police right to actually arrest men's good for na say womo aircraft Flagstaff house by force? Yes, the police actually has a right. One, what wrong krata komomo? Omo say womo mma okwan ema wonko. Aden ena wankasa wodi to me ahye wonsa. A driving crofo, a passing crofo di omo akọ Flagstaff house say who ko submit petition. And you know, say the police has actually written to you guys denying your request to go and do this. It na who person police for na etina say ehwemo ana yeni se musika akim usika kasika ye moja usika yera eya na weni abre but police for no na ehwe emra e wo Ghana ha say if you feel say you are going now yes ene dia wo be ye kone dia wo be ko but police ne so ne mrama ne ho kwan say mama o kwan say ko yesi na wo koye mrama ne ho kwan say e wo say wo be chew enti say wa kona police na be chew a me ndeka say wo intimidate you wo ma o ka kire wo say menko ena wa wo de bo pe akofla minimum to do pa Flagstaff house na say na wo pe say who go win president just like that. You don't respect protocols. Police say menko no say me the boss akogina Flagstaff or say me twen say leaders ne beba na ye nia yesi ni yakọ Flagstaff house ena police one who say that be ye mam mo kwan say mamonko and na wo say mo ko park bus e wo Flagstaff house ena police one e ko chinkrofu yi nti aye double case. Because the first one omoko na apia mensa fie na yakochi wo mo no asem no eguso e wo court. Was anso akoye we. Inti moko court e dey na judge no beka. Judge no beka se da bi mo anso enti asem. Say na judge no beka. Obeka se mo anso enti asem. Because police for emma mo ho kwan se mo nko. So these are the two sides of the issue. These are the two sides. Minim say obaka so the police on yenye muma yenye we nekre but imra e wo say eyi adwuma e wo Ghana ha say imagine say police on ebu omoni to this particular thing so say ye ma mo kwan say mo nko na mo akwa. Imagine e den e na ebesi e wo omanwe mu. Na ko obi asori a obaka so wo ko Flagstaff house without any permission. Mwati nsema si o nti eno ene nsema eda ho eti for mesremo montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu emayen the men's gold issue is still coming up. Now, Mr. say because election year air ban in Men's Gold customers ni who say I was say you need break na abai na HIM because you be catch abai na say when HIM ya yen voting man no. Inti no, Montreal comment box ni mo me da ase.